If your business is still replying to every single customer question manually, you already know the struggle. Slow response times, frustrated customers, overworked support teams. Well, the good news is that things have changed. According to IBM, modern chatbots can now handle up to 80% of routine questions and cut support costs by nearly 30%. And before you think this sounds too technical, you don't need any coding knowledge to set one up. And in this video, I will show you how to build an AI chatbot that works around the clock, answers repetitive queries automatically, and gives your team more time for the issues that actually need a human touch. So let's get started. There are two ways to create a chatbot. The first is custom development with code. You hire developers to build everything from scratch. It's powerful, but it's expensive and time consuming. Every small change means another call to your dev team. That path only makes sense if you are a large enterprise with very specific needs. The second option is using a no-code platform. With this approach, you can launch your chatbot in a few hours instead of months. You can update it yourself anytime without depending on anyone else. This is what I'll be showing you today. Step 1, set your goals. The first thing that you need to do is define what you want your chatbot to actually do. A chatbot is only useful when it solves a clear problem. So ask yourself, what kind of help will it offer? Will it answer FAQs? Guide customers through a process, collect information like names and order IDs, or just give quick order updates. Also, think about who's going to use it. Are you building for customers, internal teams, or both? What tone should it use to sound natural to them? Finally, what results do you want? Faster replies, more leads, better customer satisfaction? And once you've defined that, you can shape your chatbot's entire role. For example, if your goal is to build an FAQ bot, start by listing the most common questions that your customers ask and write clear responses for each. That prep work will make your chatbot useful from day one. Step 2, choose your platform. For this tutorial, we'll use Hiver, a modern AI customer service software that makes chatbot building fast and intuitive. You don't need developers or technical setup. Everything happens inside of a simple visual builder where you drag and drop and connect each step of your chatbot's flow. To follow along, you can click the first link in the description and sign up. If you are using Gmail, install the Hiver Chrome extension. And once that's done, you'll see a small yellow Hiver icon at the top of your inbox. Click it to open the admin panel. And once you're inside of the panel, you can scroll down and you'll see chatbots under Team Efficiency. This is where you'll design your first chatbot, from how it greets visitors to when it hands things off to a live agent. Design your conversation flow. Now, let's build your chatbot. First, you'll need to select which shared inbox you want the chatbot to run in. For this example, I'll choose the ecom support inbox. Next, give your chatbot a display name. This is what customers will see when they are chatting with the bot. Let's call it Peter the bot for this tutorial. Now, click the chatbot in the left side navigation and then click Create New Chat Flow in the top right corner and give your flow a name. For this example, Pricing Chat Flow. Then you need to select a trigger, which is the event that activates your chatbot. You can start the flow either when a chat bubble is clicked, meaning when a visitor opens the widget, or when a chat nudge is clicked, which means when a visitor interacts with a proactive message on your website. For this option, you'll have to click nudge in the left sidebar and create a trigger or nudge for the chatbot. Once you've chosen the trigger, you'll enter Hiver's Chat Flow Builder, a visual drag and drop interface where you design the entire conversation using blocks. Click the plus button to add blocks, and you have a few different options here. Message block to send predefined text to customers. Multiple choice question, which is to show buttons so customers can pick an option. Assign to agent to hand the chat off to a human when needed. Contact form to collect the details like name, email, or order ID. Let's go ahead and try the MCQ block. Then we're going to type, "Hi there, need help picking a price plan?" Then we're going to add 2 options, compare plans and connect me to an agent. And you can keep building your flow with more blocks for each possible path. The visual builder makes it easy to see how the conversation will play out. And when you're done, click Save in the top right corner. Now you'll see your new chatbot listed under Chat Flows. Toggle it to active and then it's live. And once activated, your chatbot will automatically handle new chats, answer FAQs, and hand off complex issues to agents when needed. Agents can monitor these in the assigned to view and take over anytime. Lastly, don't forget a fallback response for questions the bot doesn't understand. Something like, "I'm not sure how to help with that. Let me connect you with a team member." That way, customers never hit a dead end. Step 4, train and refine your bot. If you want your chatbot to be truly smart, train it with real data. Inside of Hiver, you can connect your chatbot to your knowledge base, internal documents, or even your website. This allows Hiver's AI to pull answers directly from trusted sources like pricing pages, FAQs, or help docs, instead of relying on pre-written responses. The AI understands the intent behind each message. So whether someone asks, "What's in your enterprise plan?" or "Tell me about your advanced features," it gives the same accurate answer, complete with the original source link. And the more information you connect, the smarter your bot becomes. Over time, it learns which answers actually help customers, thanks to quick feedback prompts like, "Did that answer your question?" Step number 5, test, integrate, and deploy. Now, before you go live, you want to test everything. Run through each conversation path. Ask different questions to see if the bot understands variations. Have your teammates test it too, pretending to be customers. Look for any confusing replies or dead ends and fix them early. Also, test it on mobile. Most people will chat from their phones, so make sure it feels smooth on a small screen. And once everything looks good, Hiver gives you a short script or widget to add to your website. Just copy and paste it into your site's code and match it with your brand's looks and colors, so your chatbot is live. Now, let's make sure that it's actually effective and something that your customers will enjoy using. Here are some of the best practices to follow. First, take an iterative approach. Don't try to make it perfect on day 1. Start simple, launch fast, and then keep improving. For example, if you notice people often ask about returns or refunds, create a new flow just for that. The goal is to keep refining based on real conversations. Second, prioritize speed and reliability. Nobody wants to wait for a chatbot to think, so make sure that it responds quickly and handles multiple chats smoothly. If it ever needs a few seconds to fetch data, show a short message like "just a moment" so that users know it's working. And third, be transparent. Always let users know they are talking to a bot. It builds trust and sets the right expectation. Start your chat with something simple like, "Hi, I'm Ava, your virtual assistant. I can help you with FAQs or connect you to a human if you need one." Fourth, give your chatbot a personality. It doesn't have to sound robotic. Use a natural tone, contractions like "I'm" instead of "I am," and a little warmth in your responses. Even a small emoji can make your chatbot feel friendly if it fits your brand. And finally, track performance and listen to feedback. Check your conversation logs, CSAT scores, and any thumbs up or thumbs down ratings. If customers keep asking for something new, turn that into an opportunity to make your chatbot even more helpful. The best chatbots are never truly finished. They evolve as your business grows. So if you are ready to build your own AI chatbot, try Hiver. You can set up your chatbot, connect it to your knowledge base, and go live all within a few hours. Click the first link in the description to start using Hiver for free and see how modern AI can make customer support faster, smarter, and a lot more human. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.